Hello everyone, very good morning. Hope you are able to see me and you are able to hear me.
Yes, sir.
Great. So as of now, if I see only 50% people have joined. Okay. So anyway, we'll start as planned. Let people join. So what we'll do in first 5-10 minutes, we can discuss if any doubts, any questions, conceptual level questions, doubts, not repetition of what I teach, but thought what. And I gave you a big exhaustive assignment. Hope most of you would have gone through. Anybody, any conceptual level question of whatever you covered till now in number system? You tried questions. Today we'll do number system part 2 and we'll finish number system today completely. Anybody, any questions? Please ask me. Anyone, any question? Have you tried or not? Have you tried? Ashish, Siddharth, Sajna Devi, Mani, Isha, each one of you. No questions at all? Okay, no questions at all, then I'll move on. Okay, so I'll start now. I'm going to mute everybody and starting part 2 of number system. So what we talked about last time is type of numbers, rational, irrational, how to do conversion, how to get vulgar fractions. We also talked about speed maths of HCM and LCM, right? Why conventional number system is base 10? Base is 10 because there are 10 digits, 0 to 9. If we do octal system, base is 8 because 0 to 7. If you hexadecimal, base is 16 because 0 to 15. If you talk about binary, base is 2 because 0 and 1. So depend upon how many digits we are using. Okay. Now, so we talked about HCF, LCM, and also we did some word problems. So today we are going to do some more word problems of HCF, LCM, and we are also going to do some 4 very important concepts of number system from the exam perspective. In exam, you can see those questions a lot. But before first 10-15 minutes, we'll talk about HCF, LCM word problems. We did couple of last time, no, to build upon that. Now, if I have very basic simple question, suppose if I say which is highest, listen very carefully, this will give you a lot of idea about how to use those HCF, LCM concept. Which is highest, say, or largest I should say, which is largest 2-digit number which is divisible. Let me put this off. You get this kind of exam, you get this kind of question exam, which is largest 2-digit number which is divisible by say 3 and 5 both. The question is you have to find such number which is divisible by both 3 and 5. Then you have to find largest 2-digit number. So first you'll not worry about largest 2-digit number. First about number which is divisible by 3 and 5. Yes, wait, guys, don't answer. I'll ask you when to answer. Understand the concept of time to say. We need number which should divisible by both. So it is a simple concept. So don't write answer. It's not about answer because this is the basis for all other questions. So if a number concept is this. If a number still joining. If a number is to be divisible by both 3 and 5, it means it has to be, or it must also be divisible by LCM of 3 and 5. Then only it's possible, right? Any number. So if the number has to be divisible by both 3 and 5, the number must also be divisible by LCM of 3 and 5. What is LCM of 3 and 5? Tell me that first now on chat. What is LCM of 3 and 5? You have done fast math, right? LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. It means the biggest number should be divisible by 15 definitely. Now you know. This is an oral question because it's only up to 2 digit. We know largest 2-digit number is 99. Now we need some number closer to 99 or lesser than that. We cannot go more than 99 because it becomes 3 digit, which is divided by 15. So obviously it should come in 15 table. So 15 into 6, 90. So 90 is the answer. But answer is okay. But main concept is this. Main concept is it should be LCM of 3 and 5. So number should be divisible by 15. So 90 is the biggest number which is divisible by 15, which is 2-digit number. Right? So if I change this same question, if I say 3, 4 and 5, can you try now and tell me answer? Everybody. If you understood the concept, very easy. We'll modify this question many times. Which is larger 2-digit number which is divisible by 3, 4 and 5. Not both, but all 3, 4, 5, all. It is by 3, 4 and 5. So again the concept says if a number has to be divisible by 3, 4 and 5, it has to be divisible by LCM of 3, 4, 5, right? It has to be divisible by 3, 4 and 5 LCM. We know LCM is 60. So now my number which are divisible by 60 are 60, 120, 180, right? We need a 2-digit number. So it's only 60. That's it. Now suppose we change it and we say 3-digit number. Same concept can be expanded to 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit. Same question becomes 3-digit number. Then what you will do? This concept remains same. Now it says biggest 3-digit number. Then what you will say? Just make 60 pair till you get yes. So 3-digit number, if you see, the best way to solve is we know largest 3-digit number is 999. You know that, correct? Obviously, somebody says, how will we think 960? You are right. We will not see how 960 comes directly. So biggest 3 number is 999. Do 999 by 60 and find remainder. When you do 999 by 60, what is the remainder? 39. It means what? What the concept says? When you divide 999 by 60, 39 is the remainder. It means you remove the remainder, the remaining number is completely divisible. The concept remainder is that only, right? So if you remove this, you get 960. So 960 is the highest or greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 3, 4, 5. So same concept you can apply to any numbers now. Getting it? If I change the same question, listen carefully now. It's all about concept. Which is the largest 3-digit number I'll change the question now. Which is larger two-digit number which is divisible by, say, 3 and 5, but 3 and 5 and leaves a remainder of, say, 4 in each case. Means what? You are finding such a big two-digit number when you divide by 3 and 5 and leaves the remainder of 4. So, first of all, we will not worry about remainder. Concept again. First, we'll find which number is divisible by 3 and 5. So, again, concept says, let's find 3 and 5 means it should be divisible by LCM of 3 and 5. We already know LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now, what we found is, if 15 is the LCM, the largest two-digit number completely divisible by 15 is 90. We all know that. We have already done that. 90 is the biggest number, two-digit number, which is completely divisible by 15 or 3 and 5. So we need remainder. Remainder of 4. My number should be 4 more. Then only I get a remainder, right? So 94. Because it said 3 and 5. So that's why 50. So you divide 94 by 3 and 4. In both cases, you'll get it 4. So we are looking for again biggest number. Clear concept, everyone? Let's do one question now. Everybody is clear on this? Let's do another question now. Just for which is the smallest three-digit number which is divisible by say let me think which is divided by 5 and 7. Remainder will not do now. First we'll do only this. What would be? It is smallest three number is divisible by 5 and 7 both. Everybody try this. Divisible by so we need the smallest three-digit number, the one. We need the smallest three-digit number. So we know it should be divisible by LCM of 5 and 7. LCM 5 and 7 is 35. Means my given number should be completely divisible by 35. You make 35 factor also. 30 means 35 is multiple 35, 70, 105, 140, like that. Or otherwise you can divide by, start with the 1000 and all, or 100. So obviously the smallest three-digit number is 105. Too easy. Right? Now similarly, if you do other way, for example, say, give me 1 second. Suppose if I say, one second. Let me put another different problem now. But if I ask you a question like this, see, it is big difference between divisible by and divides. If I modify the question now, that's why the as of now it is divisible by. No, the question if says find the greatest number which divides 144, 180 and 250 exactly. No, this time it says which divides, not divisible by. Divides. Yes, Daman. So question में we have to see कि is it divisible by या divides. मतलब we have to find the biggest number जो इसको भी divide कर सके, जो इसको भी divide कर सके, जो इसको भी divide कर सके. और HCF का मतलब वही होता है, right? The concept of HCF is that only. For the greatest number which divides 141, 182 exactly, मतलब we have to find the highest common. So what is highest HCF of 144, 180 and 250? We done already this. No, 36 doesn't divide 250. No. The man it is 250. 250. No. Okay. See guys. You know the method of HCF. I not told you, but because the basic method of finding HCF. 144, 180, 250. The basic table method of finding HCF, right? Write a number, start dividing by some number which is this way anyway. I know we'll divide by 2. We get 72 here. We get 90 here. We get 125 here. Now the problem is 72, 90. Both are even numbers. 125 odd number. Forget 2s and multiples 2. 125. This will only by 5 as such here. So 2 is the only number. So unfortunately the answer is 2 for this. But that's fine. Concept is which is greatest number, divide all of this. It's only this. Right? If I modify the question, listen very carefully. Again, we are talking about concepts here. If I modify the question and say, remove this all, find the greatest number which divides, say 64, say 48 and 64. What will the answer? So again, what we have to do here is, you have to find just the HCF. So we have to find the biggest possible number which divide both this number, 48 and 64. So obviously it means HCF. HCF of 48 and 64, which is 16. So 16 is the biggest number which can divide both 48 and 64 exactly. Right? But if I change the quotient now, we divide 48 and 64 and leaves a remainder of say 3 in each case. So this time what we are doing is find the biggest number which can divide 48 also, 64 also, but it will always leave a remainder 3 in each case. And I will change it this to 51, 67. Because see, question is what is the greatest number which divides both this number and leaves a remainder of 3 in each case. It means leaves a remainder. So first what we have to do is, first we have to find out what is the number we are looking for, which is 51 is the number, divide by something, you want remainder as 3. So 51 minus 3, it means 48. 67 minus 3, because remainder is 3, remove the remainder, 64. It means by this number, 48 and 64, should be completely divisible by some number, right? That's the question says. means by these two numbers should be completely divisible by something. And we know 40 and 64 HCF is 16. So answer is 16. So how we build upon how to find highest common number, how to find out divisible by, divides, leaves a remainder. That's it. If I change the question now, and if I say like this, say 85 and 96, this is a remainder of 5 and 6 respectively. So you have to find out the biggest possible number which can divide 85 and 96 respectively and leaves a remainder of 5 and 6. So what does it mean? Some number is, say, suppose x. You divide 85, it will be remainder of 5. So what you will do, you will say 80. Again, I am focusing on concept. So 80 minus 5, so 80. 96 divided by same number should be fully divisible and leave the remainder of 6. So remove 6 from here, 90. It means I want such a number which can divide 80 and 90 completely. Means we are looking for a number which divides, correct? We are looking for that number which divides 80 and 90 completely. It means what? We are looking for HCF of that. So HCF of 80 and 90 is 10. With 10 is the biggest number. And if you want to verify, just verify. Verification. So that you know concept, how concept works. So answer is 10. Check 85 by 10. 85 by 10. What is remainder? Correct? Do 96 by 10. What is remainder? 6. Means your answer is verified, right everybody? So this is how we build the concept slowly. No, same you can apply for figure. Clear? Now I'll give you one question on this and then we'll move on to today's topic. I wanted to do HCF LCM so that you understand all this question, divided by or divisible by or divides. When we say divides, obviously it's a HCF we're looking for. So divisible by, obviously we're looking for LCM. Everybody clear? Shall I give one question now before we move on to new topic? Let's try. Find the greatest number which, I'll write something here. Say, let me think, which divides. Okay, do this question. Everybody. And I want everyone means everyone, please. Else ask me doubt. We have 22 people, everyone should try this. See, हमको in Hindi if I say, हमको इतना बड़ा नंबर चाहिए जो 82 को भी डिवाइड कर सके, 105 को भी डिवाइड कर सके, और रिमाइंडर बचे 5 और 6. We need that greatest number. जब 80 को डिवाइड करोगे 5 बचेगा, 105 को डिवाइड करोगे 6 बचेगा. तो मीनिंग क्या है? मीनिंग है कि अगर 80 को डिवाइड कर रहे हो और 5 बच रहा है, मीन्स 77 कंप्लीट डिविजन होना चाहिए, और 105 में से 6 बच रहा है तो 99 कंप्लीट डिविजन होना चाहिए. मतलब ऐसा नंबर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट जो 77 और 99 दोनों को पूरा डिवाइड कर सके. So 11. That's it. You are right. Easy, right? Same concept you can apply in both ways. HCF or LCM, depending on what the word says. Is everyone good to go now? CC, good to go? We'll start the another concept today. So this is all about numbers, HCF, LCM, word problems of HCF, LCM. You can all apply. Very easy. You get this. Listen me. You get this kind of question a lot in exam. If you know the concept, any number you can do. Now what we learn is, we learn number of zeros. Very, very important topic for competitive exam, high level competitive exam. Number of zeros. If I say everybody, if I write this number, how many zeros are here in this number? कितने जीरो है इस नंबर में? Tell me everyone. 2 or 3? See, if you see the normal case, 1, 2 and 3, simple है. But 3 है, right? द्युति 1 कैसे है द्युति? 3 तो सब दिख रहे हैं. But whenever this kind of question comes, na, they don't expect you to find total number of zeros. They find trailing zeros. अब trailing zeros क्या होता है? I'll explain. What is trailing zeros? Trailing zero वो zero होते हैं. These are my trailing zeros. मतलब zero, I'll write out. Trailing zero means zeros after last non-zero number. जो भी लास्ट नॉन जीरो नंबर है उसके बाद कितने जीरो आ रहे हैं? तो लास्ट नॉन जीरो नंबर हमारा 3 था, तो इसके बाद कितने जीरो है? दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रेलिंग जीरोस. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई गिव नंबर लाइक दिस 50008 346, इसमें कितने जीरो काउंट करेंगे? तो ट्रेलिंग जीरोस आर ओनली दिस टू, बिकॉज लास्ट नॉन जीरो नंबर इज दिस. तो यहां तक कुछ नहीं काउंट करेंगे, only the last 2 zeros. So number of trailing zeros is 2. So in exam they may say trailing zero, they may say number of zeros. Meaning is same. Many times they mention trailing zeros. So this is what we're going to talk about this now. Very, very beautiful, very, very important questions. Everyone understood what trailing zero means? जो last non zero digit है उसके बाद जितने जीरो आ रहे हैं वो होते हैं trailing zeros. Before we do a question, tell me in this number how many trailing zeros are there, so that I know that everybody is okay. How many trailing zeros here? How many trailing zeros here, everyone? Correct. This 4, this 4. So trailing zeros are 4. Now what kind of question you can see in exam? You will see question like this. Find number of zeros in, and then they'll give product, some big product they'll give you. How? I'll explain you. Don't write the answer, guys. When I ask you to write answer, then only write, because the moment you write answer, you lose the focus of concept. So don't write the answer unless I ask you. First understand the concept. Somebody gives question, say find number of zeros 11 into 13 into 4, 12 into 17 into some big product. Something. And then say when you multiply all the big number, तो फाइनल नंबर जो आएगा उसमें ट्रेलिंग जीरो कितने होंगे? That is the question. So obviously when you multiply everything and find out, which will take so much time, right? And why we have to waste so much time? So point is, how can we solve in 5 or 10 seconds? जब भी नंबर ऑफ जीरोस है उसका कंसेप्ट एक ही है, सिंपल कंसेप्ट. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट, बिकॉज इफ कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर यू कैन सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम. कंसेप्ट इज दिस: zero is formed with 2 into 5 ओनली. जब भी 2 and 5 मिलेगा तो 0 बनेगा. करेक्ट. 2 into 5 is 10. तो एक बार 2 and 5 बन रहा है तो एक बार 0 है. For a, so we'll say based on number of pairs of 2 and 5, जितने 2 and 5 के पेयर होंगे उतने 0 मिलेंगे. अगर 2 and 5 एक बार है तो एक 0 मिलेगा. 2 and 5 दो बार है तो 2 मिलेगा. Means if one pair of 2 and 5, then 1 0. If two pairs I am saying, I am not saying no, two pairs of 2 and 5, and I'll tell you how does it work. Then 2 zeros like that. अगर 3 पेयर हुए 3 0, 10 पेयर हुए 10 0. So इन पूरे प्रोडक्ट में we have to find out कि 2 और 5 कितनी बार आ रहे हैं. Because concept है कि 0 सिर्फ 2 and 5 से मिलता है, nothing else. 0 is always obtained by only 2 and 5. So based on number of pairs of 2 and 5 you can decide कि कितना 0. So there's a concept. इसी concept को देखते हैं. What we need 2 and 5. तो चेक करते हैं. 11 तो ऑड नंबर है, ना 2 मिलेगा ना 5. यहाँ भी नहीं मिलेगा, यहाँ भी नहीं मिलेगा. नॉट हियर, नॉट हियर, नॉट हियर, नॉट हियर. यहाँ तो कहीं भी 2 नहीं मिलना है, राइट. 5 उसी में मिलेगा जिसके लास्ट में 5 या 0 आ रहा है. 15 में वी गेट ए 5. हाउ? चेक. 15 मतलब क्या होता है? 3 into 5. तो हमको एक 5 तो यहाँ मिल गया, राइट. 15 में से 3 and 5 वी आर गेटिंग 1 5. बट इससे काम नहीं चलेगा. वी नीड अ पेयर ऑफ 2 and 5. देखते 2 मिलता है 5 मिलता है कहीं और. सो इफ यू सी 12, हाँ 12 से क्या हो रहा है? 12 मतलब 2 into 2 into 3. इसमें हमको 2 बार 2 मिल रहा है. Yes, Nagi Reddy, I am coming to you. Wait. We are looking for how many 2s and 5s factors will get. तो यहाँ पे तो 12 मतलब 2 बार 2 आ रहा है. 28 में भी if you see 2 into 2 into 7, कितने सारे 2 मिल रहे हैं? 2 यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है. 4 बार 2 है और 5 कितना है? एक ही बार. तो मैक्सिमम पेयर कितना बना पाओगे? एक ही पेयर बनेगा, राइट. ओनली वन पेयर ऑफ 2 and 5 यू कैन मेक, राइट. 2 बहुत सारे, डज नॉट मैटर. वी मीन अ पेयर. इट्स व्हाट इट सेज, पेयर, पेयर ऑफ 2 and 5. तो इस पूरे प्रोडक्ट में 2 and 5 के कितने पेयर्स बनेंगे? एक ही पेयर बनेगा. एक 2 यहां से लिया, एक 5 यहां से लिया, तो एक ही पेयर बनेगा. मतलब you will get only 1 0. So number of zeros in this question is only 1. So what we look for is number of pair of 2 and 5. Okay, Nagi Reddy? It's not about unit place only, yes, but objective is the pairs, factors. So सारे नंबर का जो फैक्टर देखोगे you will find out कि 2 आ रहा है सिर्फ इसमें और इसमें, and 5 is coming here. Got it? This is how we find number of zeros. Now we'll do many questions before we move on. Suppose if I give you a question like this, find number of zeros. 17 into 8 into 13 into 19 into, simple question. Tell me how many number of zeros in this product? Everybody, how many zeros you get in this product? 17 odd number and not with 5. Odd number not with 5. Forget this. 8 means क्या होता है? What are factors of 8? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. What is factor of 25? So if you see कितने pairs बनाओगे? You will make one pair from this 2 to this 5. Let me put a box. You will make one this, Sorry. One pair is this. One pair is this. Only two pairs you can make. Even if twos are more, does not matter. Only two pairs. So, two pairs of 2 and 5. So, two zeros. You are right. Only two zeros will get. Clear, everybody? I want everyone to answer and correctly. So, only look for pair of 2 and 5. Let's try one more. So, दो pair बन रहे तो दो zero आएंगे. If you don't believe, then multiply this. I'll tell you. Let me multiply this with calculator and tell you what the answer coming for. Then you know कि yeah, it is 20 only. Let me multiply the whole number with calculator. Say, what is the number? 17 into 8 into 13 into 19 into 25. Answer is 839800. So when you multiply it, you are getting 839800. How many zeros are here? Two zeros, right? So instead of doing so much hard work of multiplying big numbers, कोई exam में वैसे भी calculator is not allowed. You are doing directly 0.5 2 zeros. That's the shortcut. Okay, let's try one more question. (15 into 11 into 17 into 111 into 25 into 4 into 123. Tell me how many number of zeros? Each and everyone should do it. How many number of zeros? Two zeros, two zeros, two zeros. ईशा कैसे करेंगे बताओ? Let's quickly solve this. Let me unmute. Isha, explain quickly to this and we'll move on to everyone.
Yes, sir. So the only numbers we can give as factors of 2 and 5 are 15, 25 and 4. Correct. So by 4 we'll get 2 into 2.
2 into
and
2.
by 25 we'll get 5 into 5. So the 5 we'll get from 15 will be of no use because there are only two twos.
Listen everybody what she said.
There will be two
15
zeros.
also we get 3 into 5. 5. But problem is we have only two twos. ये दो ही बार है. So we can make maximum two pairs. Right Isha?
Yes sir.
So even if 5 is more, no point. Only two zeros. Because pair important. एक pair यहाँ बना, एक pair यहाँ बना. Very good Isha. Everybody very good. So this is the way we solve. Let's try one more. Let's try one more. If I change the question to say 347 multiply with 128 multiply with 321 multiply with 124. Sorry, doesn't matter actually. Tell me number of zeros, everybody quickly. Shubhi, how shall we solve this? And good morning, Shubhi.
Good morning, sir.
Concept clear hai? Zeros ka?
Yes, sir.
You want to explain this? How we'll solve this?
So for this, if we'll go with the 347, we'll cancel it. 321 we'll cancel it. 123 we'll cancel it. 67 and 367 also we'll cancel it. Now we'll go with 128 and
many twos. So many twos,
yeah.
right?
Yes,
Many
and
twos.
also there even this includes many twos. So there is zero numbers.
Many twos, yeah. So again, we don't have to really count number of twos here, right? Unless it's why to waste time, right? Right, everybody? There is no 5. Yes, that's the point. There is no 5. No 5s. So 2 kitna bhi ho, does not matter. So finally no zeros. 0, 0. Right, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
Clear, easy, very easy.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Shubhi. Let's try one more. Kshitij, you will solve this. Number is this. 15 into 25 into 64 into 24 into 12 into, this time I thought I'll give everything like this, okay? Number of zeros, everybody read. Yes, Mudit. Everybody solve this. Mudit, you can check it out with me. Ask me, Mudit, please, doubt.
Sir, to solve this, can we also use the divisibility rule?
हाँ, dividity rule, but we don't need that because जब हम factor बना रहे हैं divisibility use ही कर रहे हैं. We are using divisibility only. So you have to only look for कि 2 आएगा या 5 आएगा या नहीं.
Yes,
Whether you use
sir.
divisibility rule or table, that's fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kshitij, how shall we solve this?
Huh?
Kshitij.
How do we solve this?
Arey, I'm asking Kshitij. Kshitij, I'm able to unmute. Wait. I'm unmuting you again. Yes, Kshitij, unmute now.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Explain to everybody what the answer and why.
Sir, the answer is 3.
Answer is 3.
And
okay, why? Explain, Kshitij. Arey, you got muted again. No, are you there, right, Kshitij? Okay, I don't know. Heram Patil, will you try?
Yes, sir.
Explain to everybody. Your answer is also 3.
Yes, yes.
Explain to everyone how.
In 15 we get 5 into 3, and in
15 matlab
25
5
5
into 3. You are right. And in 25 also 5 into 5.
into 5.
So
Total number of 5 we get 3, and 2s are many more, but only 3 pair would be possible.
guys, very good. So guys, 3 5s are there. There are so many 2s here. There are many 2s here. Many 2s here. 2s are many. So maximum 3 5 to 3 zeros ही बनेंगे, right? So that's it. Thank you. Got everybody? Number of zeros. Is everyone CC? No, I'll move to second phase of number of zeros. But before that, is anyone who doesn't know what factorial means? No problem, Kshitij. So, is everyone know factorial means or anybody has doubt? For example, if I say 4 factorial, factorial means 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Mudit, okay, I am explaining. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If I say 7 factorial, it means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. मतलब ये है, whatever factorial we are doing, we start from the same number and we go till 1. 4 मतलब 4 से 1 तक जाएंगे. 7 means 7 तक बन जाएंगे. If I ask you 45 factorial, तो 45 into 44 into 43 चलता रहेगा till we reach 1. That is what factorial means. Okay? You will learn in class 10th, 11th, 12th what factorial usefulness. Factorial means this. We don't need much detail. We need only this detail what factorial means. Okay, everybody? Yes, 11, 12 definitely the one we require. Some board start in 10th also, but 11, 12 definitely. So point is factorial means this. Everybody knows. No. No, question is, I'll tell you shortcut, super shortcut and super duper shortcut. How many zeros in, if somebody says 14 factorial, So when you do 14 factorial, मतलब 14 into 13 into 12, how many zeros you will get? So I'll tell you three methods here. Easy, fast and super fast method. Question is how many zeros in? So normal method is what? Do 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. It takes so much time, but we'll do that. Because concept, and I'll not repeat guys, so listen carefully. I'll not repeat this. We'll do lot of questions. So 14 factorial means this everybody knows, right? No, we know number of zeros means what? Number of zeros means number of pairs of 2 and 5. So normal method is find 2 and 5s. देखो 2 यहाँ होगा, 2 यहाँ होगा, 2 यहाँ भी होगा, 2 यहाँ भी होगा, 2 तो हर जगह होगा. Every alternate number have 2, right? But 5 कहाँ पे? 1 5 is here. 1 5 is here. 5 into 2. There are 2 5s. And number of 2s are too many. So we'll get 2 pairs. So 2 zeros, right? This is the normal method. But the shortcut method is, we know every factorial number. सारे factorial में every alternate number is 2, right? Even number. So 2s are too many. So don't worry about 2s. In factorial question, do not think about 2. Look only for 5. The moment you say 14 factorial, look only 5. Sir, 1 5 here, 1 5 here, 2 5, 2 is the answer. This is the shortcut. Whenever factorial is given, don't think about 2. Just see 5s. कितना 5 आ रहा है? 1, 2, 2. This is the shortcut. But I'll tell you super shortcut. इतना भी जरूरत नहीं है. Question is given 14 factorial. Just divide 14 by 5. What is the quotient? 2 is the answer. Just divide 14 by 5. What is the quotient? 2 is the quotient when you divide 14 by 5. 5 2s are 10. So 2 zeros. This is a super shortcut. उतना भी जरूरत नहीं है कि count how many 5 here there. Just divide the given number by 5. Find the quotient. Quotient is 2. So answer is 2. Why we are dividing by 5? Because, see, why? Because concept is important. Why we are dividing by 5? Because we know in a block of 5 numbers, you always get 1 5. Correct? 1 से 5 के बीच में कितने 5 है? एक बार. 6 से 10 के बीच में कितने 5s है? 1 में. If you go 11 to 15, 5 कहाँ पे आएगा? 15 पे. 16 से 20, again you get 5 and 20. So every block of 5 numbers, एक ही बार 5 आ रहा है. तो manually कौन count करे? We directly do 14 by 5. So we'll use this concept, super shortcut, to solve any problems. For example, if somebody asks how many zeros in, say, how many zeros in 21 factorial, you will say, sir, I'll not do any manual work. 21 by 5, 4. So 4 zeros. 3 second job, right? 21 by 5, 4. So 4 zeros. Even if somebody asks, what is number of zeros in 24 factorial? Tell me the answer. How many zeros? 4 zeros. If I ask 13 factorial, how many number of zeros? 2 zeros. Because 13 by 5. If I ask you 19 factorial, how many number of zeros? 19 by 5, 3 zeros. Right? If I ask you 29 factorial, how many zeros? It looks 5, correct? Listen carefully now. Listen very, very carefully. You do 29 by 5. You get 5 zeros. Correct? But 29 will also have 25 in between, right? 29 के बीच में 25 भी आता है ना? 25 मतलब क्या होता है? 5 into 5. अब ध्यान से देखो, जब हमने 5 0 बोला, हर every block we count 1 5 only, right? But 25 में तो 1 extra है. You do plus 1. एक बार extra जोड़ना पड़ेगा. So 6 zeros. I'll explain again. Because see 1 से लेके 24. We always get only 1 5, right? 5 में 10, 15, 20 everywhere. But in 25, we have 2 5s. 1 extra 5, right? हम जो डिवाइड कर रहे हैं 5, हम हर जगह एक ही काउंट कर रहे हैं, right? We are dividing by number by 5. We are counting everywhere only 1 5. ये extra 5 भी तो लेना पड़ेगा. The extra comes here. So number अगर 25 से ऊपर है, so it would be 1 extra. So for example, if I ask you how many zeros in 34 factorial, tell me everybody. How many zeros in 34 factorial? So what you will say is, how many zeros? So you will say, sir, we'll do 34 by 5. वो आएगा 6 plus 1 extra for 25. So you will say 7 zeros, which is right. 7 zeros. If quotient is 42 factorial, tell me everybody quickly, 42 factorial. So, Jyoti, how shall we do this? Jyoti, admit, how shall we do this?
So 42 by 5 would be 8.
8.
And then because of 25, there'll be an extra 5, so it'll be 9.
Correct. Clear everybody? That's it. 9 zeros. Very good. What about 49 factorial everybody? Thank you, Jyoti. 49 factorial. Rishabh, tell me your answer. You said 10. You are right. Explain
Yes,
how.
sir.
Explain how.
Sir, because 49 is the half of 5, that's why it's 9. Then 25, that's so plus 1, then equals to 10 zeros.
Very good. Clear everyone? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Rishabh. Thank you. So understood how we are doing this? Now if I ask a question, we'll go more. We'll go more big now. If I say 57 factorial, everybody, write it please. So obviously you see that 57 by 5 क्या आएगा? 11. Between 1 to 57 you get 25, so 1 extra. But you get 50 also, 50, 50. 50 में भी 25 है, right? So 1 more extra. So 13 zero. Because ये 1 किसकी वजह से आया? 25 की वजह से. But 50 भी तो आएगा 50, 50. 50 क्या होता है? 50 means also 25 into 2, right? 25 मतलब 5 into 5. तो 50 से ऊपर चले गए हम लोग. So 1 more. So एक एक्स्ट्रा 0 यहाँ भी आ रहा है, एक्स्ट्रा 5 यहाँ भी आ रहा है. So ये इसकी वजह से आया है. ये 25 की वजह से. Correct? So answer would be not 12 but 13 zeros. Easy? If I ask you 64 factorial, how many zeros? Ritesh Malik. Ritesh, do you want to explain?
ओके सर.
Explain. How many zeros should be there?
सर यहाँ पे हमें
64 by 5
मिलेगा
किया.
14 zeros.
64 by 5 के कितना आया? 12.
12.
करेक्ट है. फिर
देन 25
का
में
एक और फिर
एक
50
आएगा
का
और
एक.
50 का एक आएगा.
तो टोटल कितने हो गए?
14 हो गए.
करेक्ट. तो 14 zeros. Very good. Easy.
यस सर.
Very good. Thank you. Next. Tell me everybody, how many zeros in 72 factorial? Very fast. Pratik, how shall we do this? Pratik, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Pratik, how shall we do this? 72 factorial?
It is 16, 14 plus 2.
14 because of just and plus 1 for 25 plus 1 for 50. 16 zeros. Thank you, Pratik. Everybody okay? Yes. So 16 zeros. Thank you. Pratik, you can mute now. Let's do some more. How many zeros in 82 factorial? How many zeros? Tell me everybody. 82 factorial. Sajna Devi, how shall we do this?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
82 divided by 5.
Done. 16 आ गया. We got 16. Then?
Yeah. Plus 2 extras, I think.
No, tell me one by one. Why? One for 25.
One for 25 and another one for 50.
And one for 75, na?
Yes, sir.
So 3 extras. So answer is?
9.
Because this is extra for?
25.
This is extra for?
50.
And this is extra for?
For 75.
Correct. So guys, as the number, thank you Sajna Devi. So the moment increase, we can have one more shortcut. First you divide 82 by 5, you get 16 zeros. Okay. We don't want to count manually, again 82 divided by 25. Because 25 we are counting extra. So we get 3 zeros. So 16 plus 3, 19. That is the shortcut. More, you can say shortest shortcut. Okay. That's it. Either you do manually like this, 1, 2, 3 extra, or divide by 25, you get 3 as a quotient. So that's also same way. Because when I ask you big quotient like 97 factorial, why to do so much manually? So write everybody. Everybody write it. And Paritosh will explain. Okay, Paritosh, explain how many zeros and why.
Hello.
Hi, Paritosh.
Sir, first we can check the number to 5.
19.
So, yeah.
19 zeros तो यहाँ आ गया. Okay, then
sir, यहाँ पे 25.
Correct.
1.
So 25, 3 is 75.
Yes, sir.
3 zeros. Total zeros कितने होंगे?
22.
Very good. Total 22 zeros. Good. Thank you, Paritosh. Everybody is okay?
Sir?
Yes, please.
अगर मान लेते हैं हम यहाँ पे अगर संख्या ज्यादा हो, मान लीजिए.
We will go there. We'll go there. Don't worry. We'll do 4 or 5 questions more.
Yeah.
It's all power of 5. 5, 25, 125, 625, like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That's it. Thank you. So, 222 zeros. Good. Next. What about 108 factorial? Daman? I'm going to unmute you, Daman. Everybody write the answer. Daman will explain.
$25.
Explain.
Sir, 108 divided by 5 is equals to 21 or 40 extra.
40 एक्स्ट्रा क्यों आ रहे हैं बताओ?
Sir, 25 का 25 और 50, 75 और 100.
25 में एक्स्ट्रा, 50 में एक्स्ट्रा, 7. See why I'm asking to explain to everybody so that जिसका भी डाउट है वो क्लियर हो जाए, ठीक है? That's why I say interactive class. So 24 zeros plus 4, 25 zeros. Very good. Double. Anybody any doubt before we do last two questions? 25 zeros. Naman, thank you. Next. What if I give a question like this? 1, 3, 4 factorial. Then what you will do, guys? Siddharthan, how will you do this? 134 factorial. Lalita, how will you do this? Unmute Lalita.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear you. Siddhartha.
Sir, actually 134 divided by 5 is 26.
5 to the 10, 13, 10, 34, 5, 6 are 30, correct? 20 0 to yahan aa gaye.
And then 134 divided by 25 is 5.
134 by 25 is 25, 5 is 125, 5 zeros. ये आ गया. अब क्या है?
Do sum of the both, you get 31.
Correct. But the problem is 125 में एक extra और होगा. So one more zero. Right? So,
right. Yes,
so
right.
finally we get 26 plus 5 plus 1. 32 zeros, guys. So why 32? Why not 31? Because 125 में क्या होगा? 5 into 5 into 5 तीन बार आएगा. So 2 extra है, right? 25 में 1 extra, 50 में 1 extra, 75 1 extra, 100 1 extra. But 125 में 2 extras है.
Yes, yes.
Got it, everybody? So you have to
Yes,
always
sir.
see power of 5, 5, 25, 125. उसके बाद 625 में 4 बार हो जाएगा. So it goes on, goes on. Thank you, Siddhartha. So 32
Yes, sir.
zeros. Let's solve one question. 149. Everybody tell me last question on this. Same concept apply everywhere. Mute. Lalita, you will solve this. Are you there, Lalita? Lalita Sindura. Everybody write the answer for 149 factorial, please.
Sir, I'm here. I'm so sorry, my screen hung.
No problem, Lalita. You can solve now. Explain. 149 factorial. First we'll do 149 by 5. Correct?
Yes.
कितना आएगा? 29. Correct?
Yes.
उसके बाद we need extra 5. So 149 by 25.
25, right.
5 zeros. But we also do 149 by 125. Why? Because 125 3 zeros, right? 5 into 5 into 5. तो एक बार यहाँ भी आ जाएगा. तो टोटल कितना हुआ? 35 zeros.
35.
Concept clear है ना ललिता?
Yes.
पक्का?
Yes.
Ask me otherwise.
No, it's okay, sir. I have to practice. So, but I understood the concept.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks.
Is everyone okay? Super clear? Because we are going to move to next topic now. See, number of zeros, whether product is given, factorial is given, anything. Look for only 2s and 5s. Concept is, Maitreya, what is the concept? Let Maitreya take the about concept. We'll move. So Maitreya, if you have to find number of zeros, what is the main concept?
So if you want,
Yes, please tell.
so you have to first multiply. You have to first divide the number you have been given by 5.
Correct.
So 149 divided by 5 is going to be 29.
Yes.
And then you have to divide it again by 25.
Because 25 has 2 5s, 1 extra 5, right?
Yes, sir.
We're counting extra 5s here.
Yeah, so 5 zeros will come. And then 149 divided by 125 will equal to 1.
So why we are dividing 125? Because there will be one more extra part of this. 3x total, right?
Yeah.
125 मतलब क्या होता है? 5 into 5 into 5. So we are counting third 5 here. So that's why. Thank you, Maitreya. So guys, this is what about. Now we are going to do one of the most important topic of number system. Magical topic. Calculator cannot work here. And believe me, if you do normal maths, it will take you 1 week, 1 year, 1 month, or so many years if you do manual math, because you cannot find out. That's why this concept and shortcut is so useful. But to understand that, for another philosophy of unit digit. You know what is unit digit? Ones place digit or last digit of a number. For example, if I say this number, what is the unit digit of this? What is unit digit of this number? 1. Unit digit means the last digit or ones place digit. If I say this number, what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 8. Last digit. If I say number is this, what is unit digit? 0. Everybody knows this, right? Unit digit of a number means the last digit, ones place digit. But this is okay. But question will be like this. Find unit digit of. See, if somebody gives this number. You know what? The moment you find some kind of a number, again, look for 5 first. Is there 5 here? Oh yeah, we have 5. You know 5 is special number. 5 multiply with even number will always give you 0. And 5 multiply with odd number will always give you 5. 5 cannot give anything else. You check any number. You multiply 5 with any even number, you always get 0. You multiply 5 with any odd number, you always get 5, right? 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 5 9 is 45. So that is the concept. So the moment you see, oh 5 is there, look for even. Oh yeah, even number is there, answer will be 0. No choice. Because the moment you see 5, अगर even number है तो 0 आएगा, even number नहीं है तो odd आएगा. I'll repeat. If there is a 5 in the number, unit digit, look for, if there is an even number, answer will be 0. If it is not an even number, answer will be odd, 5. For example, if I change the number, say if I change the number to this, now what will unit digit? 5. Why? Because I know in my number 5 is there. But there is no even number, no even number, no even number, no even number. 5 multiplied by any odd number always gives you 5. So first thing is, the moment a big product is given, look for 5. 5 is there, look for even number. Even is there, then 0. Even is not there, then you are right, Rishabh, because there is no even number. So 5 multiplied by any odd will always give you 5 in the end. Right. Let's do 2 questions before it. We'll do. Tell me what is the answer of, what is unit digit of this? What is unit digit of this? 0 because you see the 5 and you see the even number. So 0. What about this? 11 into 13 into 15 into 17 into 19 into 23 into 27 into something. Yeah, previous one Siddhartha 0. What about this question? This question it is 5 because no even number, only 5 is there. Now, if I say find unit digit of find unit digit of 17 multiply with 12 multiply with 13 multiply with something multiply. No, there was no even number, Pratik, in the previous one. If it is even number, then 0. There was no even number. By mistake, if it is there, then 0. Concept is important, that's it. Question is, if somebody said find unit digit of this. So like guys, now I'll tell you what mistake people do. See, there is no 5 here, guys. Isha, there is no 5 here in the end, right? No, Prudit. See, there is no 5 here. So you do normal maths, but Pratik, I'll explain 1 second. So if we have normal maths, still don't do mistake, very fast. 7 into 14, 4, 4, 3, 12, 2, 2, 6, 12, 2, 2, 6, 12, 2, 2, 7, 14, 4, 4, 2, 8, 8. Can you solve this question in 5 seconds or not? You have to be so focused on unit digits only. I'll repeat. Pratik, I'll come to you 1 second. So, how we do it? 7 to the 14, 4. 4, 3, 12, 2. I'm only worried about large digit. 2, 6 are 12, 2. 2, 6 are 12, 2. 2, 12 are 14, 4. 4, 2 are 8, 8. You have to be super duper fast. We'll do 5 questions like this. Pratik, what if we have even and both odd? So, Pratik, if both even and odd, don't worry. You have to first see the even number. If even is there, odd does not matter. You'll always get 0. Okay? So, if 5 is there, look for even first. Even is there, 0. Even is not there, odd. 5. That's it. Okay, Pratik? First look only for even number. 5 into even number will give 0. If there is no even number, then obviously 5 into odd number will give you 5. Right, Pratik. So, now to this kind of question, if no 5 is there, try to do very, very fast. For example, if I give some random number again and say find unit digit of, suppose something into, no, I don't want 5. Something into something into into something. I'm just writing something from keyboard. You find unit digit, guys. Do very fast. Tell me answer. I got my answer. Question is not to solve this. Question is to solve in 5 seconds. Check how fast we'll do. Just focus what I'm speaking. 4 6 24, 4. 4 8 32, 2. 2 7 14, 4. 4 6 24, 4. 4 8 32, 2. That's it. Only look for the last digit. Only look for last digit. Mudit, wait, I'll come to you. So, look only for the last unit digit we are talking about, Mudit. I'll repeat. 4 into 6, 24. So, 4. 4 into 8, 32. 2. 2 7 14. I'm only looking for the last digit. Let me put it so that you all know. Focus only on this. 4. 4 into 6, 24. So 4 in the end. 4 into 8, 32. 2 in the end. 2 7 14. 4 in the end. 4 into 6, 24. 4 into end. 4 into 8, 32. 2 in the end. So answer will be 2. That's it. Right? Let me give one more question. Mudit, I'll open your audio. You can ask me till I write the question.
No, sir. Actually, you just cleared my doubt after explaining that, because I thought that 4 into 6, 24, then you have to multiply 24
No
with
problem,
it.
no problem. Tell me everybody, what is the unit digit of this number? How fast you can do is important. Everybody can do, but how fast you can do? 6, 7, 42, 24, 7, 2, 8, 7, 56, 6, 4, 8. I got my answer. Yes, yes, good. Okay. Answer is right. I want to check how fast. Isha, explain how fast you did. Yes, Isha, you can explain. You're unmuted, Isha. Try. Try again. No. Wait. So, guys, I can give everybody to unmute, but you unmute only when I ask. Otherwise, lot of noise will be there. Isha, try again. It's working. No, I got somebody is unmuted. Okay, no problem. We'll come next time. Siddharthan. As I said, nobody should unmute unless I ask, please. So, how is all? 6 into 7, 42, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4, 7, 28, 8, 8, 7, 56, 6, 8, 48, 8, 6, 48. So, 8. Again, the idea is just look for the last digit. Don't worry about anything. So, this is all simple thing, right? But our objective is not simple thing. If I ask you big numbers like this, something, 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 and then I said this number power, something, 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 then what you will do? If I say this number power this number, what is the unit digit? And that is what we are going to learn. Some of you know, that's good. If you don't know, we are going to learn this. How to find unit digit of some product to the power in 5 seconds. And to understand this, understand the beautiful pattern of maths. See this question 32, 32, 2, 4, answer will be 4. People who know the concept of unit digit, super fast, you can do it. But I want to explain to everyone, each one of you. You have 36 people, each one of you. So how to do this? Simple. What I want every one of you is focus. So stop writing and just focus on my whiteboard. I'll show you something very beautiful in maths. How maths becomes so easy and so interesting, because it have patterns occur everywhere. After I say, you can write down, not now, because this will be useful for you. So what I want is, power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I'm writing, because we cannot write otherwise in this whiteboard, so I have to write in 3 separate forms. What I'm trying to tell you here is, to the power 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12 goes on, never ends anyway. Now, everybody please observe unit digit only and tell me what do you see. Do you see some pattern? Only observe unit digit of the number 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Observe only the last digit and tell me what pattern you see here. There is a pattern. You observe only the unit digit, the last digit.
486.
Correct. 2486, 2486, 2486, 2486. If you see here, it's a pattern. 2486, 2486, 2486. We call it cyclicity. Very, very powerful. We have a cycle of 4. Means what? After every 4 number it repeats. After every 4 number, pattern repeats. And that is a big thing. Big thing to solve question like this. Cyclicity of 4 because it's not about 2. Every number follows cycle of 4. After 4 numbers, it will repeat anyhow. Does not matter what number is. And because of this, what happens is, our question becomes so easy. Suppose, if somebody asks, say some number is there, find unit digit of, say, start a small number. What is the unit digit here? Wait, first let's understand the concept, guys. So what is unit digit here? 2. It means I will have a power of 2's only. So 2 is my base, correct? Now my number is 45. Cyclicity of always 4. So divide 45 by 4. What is the remainder here? What is remainder when you divide 45 by 4? Everybody write on chat. 45 divided by 4. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. 45 divided by 4. 1 is the remainder. So power 45 or power 1, it becomes same. So 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So the unit digit would be 2. Why? Because cycle of 4, it repeats after all this. So power of 45 is same as power of 1. So 2 to the power 45 or 2 to the power 1 is same. Because after 4, it repeats, it recycles. So you have to just see, in cycle of 4, it's coming pair. So just divide by 4 and find the remainder. I'll give 5 more examples so everyone is clear. If I give a question like suppose question is like this. Find unit digit of. It does not matter what number I write. Frankly speaking, does not matter actually. Unit. What is the 78? So what we'll do is, okay, my question base is 2. Mean it is the powers of 2 only, right? Base is 2 always. Now, 78 divided by 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. 78 by 4, remainder is 2. So power becomes 2 now. So 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. So unit digit of this whole product is only 4. That's it. Let's solve one question. Everybody write the answer now. If I change the question to 5027, what is the unit digit of this number? 2982 to the power 5027. What is unit digit? So you know what you have to do, guys? Don't try to divide full number. Because rule of 4 says divide only last 2. 27 by 4. What is remainder? Remainder is 3. So base is 2. So base is 2. Power 3. 2 to the power 3, 8. That's it. So don't try to divide full number. Why? Rule of 4 says last 2 digits are enough. Divide only last 2 digits. Is everyone clear what I am doing? We are finding unit digit of big numbers orally. Yes. If I give a question like this power 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the unit digit of this number? Everybody. Because base is 2, 2. 34 by 4. Remainder is 2. Put to the power 2, which is 4. 4 is the right answer. That's it. And you know one more thing. It's not only about 2. It's not only about 2. 3 also follows same. In fact, 3 also follows same, if you see. It's not about 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody is following a cycle of 4 always. What is 3 to the power 1? 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 3 to the power 3 is 27. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 243. 7, 2, 9. Something, something, something. 7. Something, something, something. 1. Something, something. 3. Do you see again the cycle? So it's not about 2. It's about everywhere. Yes. Pandya. Cycle of 3971, 3971, 3971 always. So Siddharth, cycle for every number will be maximum 4 only. So no, every number you can divide by 4. So if I ask you now guys, question is like this, find unit digit of 66. 2653 power 66. So what you will say? Base is 3, right? So you will take base as 3. 66 divided by 4. Remainder is 2. So put remainder as 2 here. So you will get 9 only in the end. Yes. You get 9 in the end. Because cyclicity again. Okay, Daman, good. So, any number you can apply. Let's try this question. Everybody write, what is unit digit of this? What is unit digit of this power number? This power, this. Unit digit. Ravi Kumar Pandya, you are right. Explain how. Unmute. Quickly unmute.
हेलो
Yes, please.
हाँ यूनिट नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट में 3 है
यूनिट में 3, ये देखो यूनिट डिजिट पे 3 है, करेक्ट है, 3 है यहाँ पे,
या
तो 3 लिख
ओके
दिया।
और जो पावर में नंबर है उसके
67 है,
लास्ट डिजिट 67
करेक्ट है,
हाँ उसको
डिवाइड
डिवाइड बाय
किया
4
तो
हाँ
3
तो
बच गया,
रिमाइंडर 3 आएगा हाँ
तो 3 यहाँ लिख दिया।
हाँ 3 का पावर 27 आएगा और उसका
परफेक्ट,
यूनिट डिजिट 7 है इसलिए
गुड। सो 5 सेकंड लगते हैं, ज्यादा ज्यादा 10 सेकंड, राइट? करेक्ट? So 7 is the right answer. So guys, not 27, 7. We need the last digit. So 7. Correct. 3971, 3971. So I'll go to repeat. I'm going to do 5 fast questions. I'll write it. You will write the answer on chat very fast. Find unit digit of. Number is this. Power is this. Tell me unit digit of this quickly. Let's see how many can do that. करेक्ट, बिकॉज 7 है तो 7. 89 by 4, remainder is 1. 7 per 1 is 7. Correct. Next, 900909 power है 99. Tell me now the answer. Unit digit of साइकिल 4 का ही रखो हमेशा, कोई भी नंबर हो, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. See, unit digit is, so base is 9, base is 9. 99 by 4 हमेशा 4 से ही करना है. Remainder is 3. So 9 का पावर 3. 9 का पावर 3 क्या होता है? 9 into 9 into 9. So लास्ट में 9 ही आना है. राइट? सिंपल कंसेप्ट है. बेस लो यहां से, पावर लो यहां से. दैट्स इट. और ध्यान रखो, अगर रिमाइंडर बचता है 0 तो पावर लेना है 4. रिमाइंडर कैन नॉट बी 4. अगर रिमाइंडर बचता है 0 तो पावर विल टेक 4. ट्राई वन मोर. 99 divided by, so Siddharthan, that's what I'm saying. Don't worry about repetition 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm saying is everyone will repeat after 4 anyway. So don't worry about it. Otherwise to remember कि 9 कितनी बार रिपीट होता है, 3 बार कितनी रिपीट होता है. No, everywhere 4, because 4 के बाद में रिपीट होता है, right? So generally every number is by 4. It will be easy for you. Good. Let's try this now. Wait. Tell me this, guys, very fast. Unit digit of this. Obviously 2 is the base. 22 divided by 4. 2 is the remainder. Answer is 4. You are right. See, there's a number, big number doesn't matter. What matter is, are you writing power correctly or not? Tell me, what is the answer for this? Mute. Guys, that's why I don't unmute generally, because noise there always. So base is 8. 67 divided by 4. 3 is the power. So 8 into 8 into 8. So 2 in there. You are right. Superb. Anybody any doubt? Doubt or CC? Crystal clear or doubt? Everyone? Each of 27 people? You can solve this question. Paritosh, you have a question? Ask me.
सर
Yes, please.
सर अगर रिमाइंडर में 0 आए तो
पावर 4 लेंगे. Good question. For example, question is like this. So suppose say 5,000. What is the answer now? No, I'll tell everybody why. If remainder is 1, power is 1. Mute please. If remainder is 2, power is 2. If remainder is 3, power is 3. You know that. We done already. If remainder is 4, power is 4. That is the logic. But you know that remainder cannot be 4, right? कोई नंबर को 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 4 तो बच ही सकता है ना. तो रिमाइंडर 0 होगा, तभी पावर 4 लेंगे. डोंट टेक द पावर एज 0, नहीं तो आंसर हमेशा 1 ही आएगा, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो. ओके, सो रिमाइंडर इज 0. डोंट टेक पावर एज 0, क्योंकि नहीं तो फिर आंसर हमेशा 1 आएगा. क्वेश्चन का मतलब ही नहीं है. सो अगर रिमाइंडर 0 बचता है तो पावर इज 4. तो जैसे कि इस केस में बेस इज 2, बेस इज 2. तो 0 0 डिवाइड बाय 4, रिमाइंडर तो 0 बचा, पावर क्या लेंगे? 4 लेंगे। देखो यहाँ पे लिखा मैंने, टू द पावर 4 is 16, मतलब 6. That's a good question. Clear everyone? Right. So 6 is the answer. Yes, Daman, ask me. Daman, you have a question? Daman, ask me, unmute.
सर अगर बेस में 0 होगा फिर?
तो 0 ही आना है, तुम्हें पता है. 0 का पावर लो क्या आता है? 0 आता है, करेक्ट. साइकिल बनाना तुम्हें, 0 वाला, 1 वाला, 2 वाला. 2 का बनाया हमने, 2 4 8. 3 का बनाया, 4 का 5, 5 के में 5 ही आना है, 0 में 0 ही आना है, 1 में 1 ही आना है. See guys, 0 रहेगा तो 0 आएगा, you know that. Otherwise make a cycle. 1 होगा तो 1 ही आने वाला है. Try this question. Concept will apply everywhere. 0 से लेकर 9 पूरा नंबर पे. Right? Try this one. Isha, how shall we solve this?
Yes, so the base is 3 and when we divide by 4.
Wait, base is 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So when the number, why we are dividing by 4 always? Because
the cycles repeat after 4.
For every number, right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
so
sir.
Remainder is?
Yes, sir. Remainder will be 0.
Correct.
So the power will be 4 again.
So why we are not taking 0? Because you are right. We'll take 4. Kyun? Why?
Sorry, sir. I didn't hear you.
Why we are taking 4, not 0? Here.
So because whenever the remainder will be 0, the power will be 4.
हाँ, because 4 तो रिमाइंडर कभी नहीं हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
Suppose कोई भी नंबर 44 हुआ, उसको 4 से डिवाइड करो तो 4 नहीं बचेगा, right? 4 will
Yes,
never
sir.
get. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. So answer is 1. Good, Isha. Everybody clear? Crystal clear? Answer is 1. Let's try one more. Somebody was asking, sir, what if 0 आखिरी में होगा? How does it matter? Do any power I write? No, does not matter. What is the answer? Unit digit. 0 only, right? 0 का power 1, 0 का power 2, 0 का power 3, हमेशा 0 ही होना है. So answer would be. Everybody agree? Paritosh, unmute and ask me.
सर
Yes, please.
अगर पावर कंप्लीट तरीके से डिविजिबल हो जाए तो?
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, कंप्लीट डिविजिबल होगा मतलब रिमाइंडर क्या बचेगा? वही कह रहा हूँ, अगर कंप्लीट डिविजिबल होगा मतलब रिमाइंडर क्या बचेगा? 0 बचेगा ना?
ओके.
तो पावर 4 लोगे.
ओके.
लिसन केयरफुली एवरीबॉडी. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 बचता मतलब कंप्लीट डिविजिबल हो जाता है, तो पावर विल टेक 4. अभी ईशा ने बोला है सेम थिंग, पावर 4. Next, let's try 2 more questions, then we'll do the last topic. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 power 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. Tell me the answer quickly. Last question. Unit digit, guys. So 3 is the base. 55 divided by 4. कितना रिमाइंडर बचता है? 3 रिमाइंडर बचता है. 3 to the power 3 is 27. So answer is 7. Correct. Cool. All good. GTG. Last topic of this number system. See, such an important thing now. Remainder theorem. Again, you will love this. Remainder theorem. So easy way to solve question. Question is, if something 23 into 26 into 27 into 22 into 24, suppose something. I don't know what it is. Something. If this is divided by, say, 21, what would be remainder? Now again the problem is, see the concept, guys, you will love it. पॉइंट इज इतना बड़ा नंबर है, उसको 21 से डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर क्या बचेगा? नो, यू नॉर्मल मेथड सबको मल्टीप्लाई करो, राइट? व्हाट इज नॉर्मल मेथड? सबको मल्टीप्लाई करो फिर डिवाइड करो, शाम हो जाएगा पूरा या पूरा एक वीक निकल जाएगा, राइट? नो नीड ऑफ दैट. Concept says why to divide the full number? Divide the every number by 21. Tell me, 23 divided by 21, what is the remainder? 23 divided by 21, what is the remainder? 2 into 26 divided by 21, what is the remainder? 5. 27 divided by 21, एक ज्यादा आएगा इससे, 6. 22 divided by 21, remainder is 1. 24 divided by 21, remainder is 3. 25 divided by 21, remainder is 4. 23 divided by 21, remainder is 2. So मैंने क्या किया? सारे नंबर को 21 डिवाइड कर दिया. Concept says remainder theorem. You can divide it separately also. So my remainders are this. Remainders are. मुझे फिर से डिवाइड 21 से करना है. No, what will I do? See, you will be so happy. Let's try say. अच्छा, what is 3 into 4 into 2? Tell me everybody. What is 3 into 4 into 2? Right or right? 24. Correct, Siddharthan? 3 into 4 into is 24. This 24 divided by 21. What is the remainder now? 3. So I can again do that. So this is gone. और कुछ करते हैं. Suppose और कौन सा लें? इसका लेते हैं. What is 6 into 5? 30. 6 into 5 is 30. You can combine what you want. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 divided by 21. What is remainder? 9. क्या बच गया यहाँ पे? 2. So 2 into 9 into 3. फिर से कंबाइन करते हैं. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 divided by 21. See, everywhere we are dividing by 21. Remainder is 6. यहाँ पे क्या बचा? 2. So 2 into 6, 12. 12 divided by 21. Remainder is 12. So answer is 12. You can apply anywhere. I'll explain with one more example, two more example, three more example. Concept is whatever big product, divide by every number by that. Just find the remainder. Combine again divide. Combine again divide. Split again divide. You can keep doing it. Let's try one more question. This time small one to make you concept clear. Okay? एक छोटा नंबर लेते हैं इस बार. सपोज इस बार ये भी छोटा लेते हैं, से 11 लेते हैं. ठीक है, इसको भी लेते हैं छोटा नंबर, से 15 into 12 into 13 into 17 into 14. छोटा लेते हैं. ठीक है, सी द कंसेप्ट हाउ इट वर्क्स. क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वुड बी रिमाइंडर. क्या करेंगे? पहले विल डिवाइड एवरीथिंग बाय 11. 15 by 11 कितना बचेगा? कीप राइटिंग व्हेन आई आस्क. 15 divided by 11, what is remainder? 4. 12 divided by 11, what is remainder? Keep writing guys. 1. Good Isha. 13 divided by 11, what is remainder? 2. 17 by 11, what is remainder? 6. 14 by 11. So what I did? I divided everything by 11. So my remainder is 4 into 1 into 2 into 6. Now I can combine anything what I like. If I combine say 6 into 2, 12. Correct? What is 12 divided by 11? Wait Siddharth. 6 into 2 to 12, right? What is 12 divided by 11? See, concept is important. 12 divided by 11, remainder is 1. Okay. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Again 12 divided by 11. Finally what we get? 1. 1 divided by 11. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Tell me, is it beautiful or not? No big numbers. You dividing big numbers, you make it small. I know, Siddharthan, but this is why I say don't worry about answer, because I don't like answer. What I want is focus on concept, because people should know how to do. Then you can do any question in the world. So that's why wait. When I say ask answer, when I ask answer, then only write answer. No, that's fine. What I'm saying is because people will distract. So write only what I'm asking, guys. So 1 is the answer, right, everybody? So concept, what concept says? When a number is given, divide everything by 11. That's it. You want to try one question, everybody, now yourself? I'll change the number. And we'll keep it 11 only, but I'll change the number, okay? Everybody try and tell me the answer. Final answer this time. The number becomes 17 into 16 into 17 into 18 into 15 into 14. Enough, eh? Try everybody. If this is divided by 11, what would be remainder? Try every one of you, please. Everybody try. I'm writing your method. We can do anything what we want. 30 by 11, 8. 42 by 11, 9. 72 by 11. That's it. You can combine other way also. 6 is the right answer, guys. Very good. Very easy. Sajna Devi, Kiran, Hiram, very easy. And same thing we can use if I give a question like this. You will be very surprised. You will be super happy. Find remainder when. You will be so happy. Say, oh, sir, this works so easily. Say, hmm, 106 to the power 248. Power I am saying. Divided by 7. With such a big number divided by 7, what would be remainder? You know what you will do? You will first check 106 by 7. What is remainder here? When you divide 106 by 7, what is the remainder? One remainder. So my question becomes 1 to power 248. What is 1 to the power 248? 1 only. So 1 divided by 7. My remainder is 1. See, such a big question we can solve very easily. One only, Isha. 1 to the power 248 is 1 only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So 1 divided by 7, remainder is
So
1.
that's what I wrote. 1 divided by 7 will give us the remainder 3.
Nah, 1 divided by 7 में तो 1 ही बचेगा ना ईशा.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
3 कहाँ से आएगा? हाँ, 1. Got everybody? This one. Even if I ask a question like this, so that is the beauty of this theorem. I change it 11 and I change it, say number is 89, power is something. When you divide this by 11, what is the remainder? And I'll tell you one more thing which will make you super happy. Just give it 2 minutes. So again, what we'll do? We'll check 89 by 11. What is remainder here? 1. So my question becomes 1 to the power 10202, which is nothing but 1 only. So 1 divided by 11, again remainder is 1. Good. Even if you don't remain 1, we can still solve. I'll tell you something. You'll become super happy. Super happy. Check. If I ask you like this, and I'll tell you something, the last part, which will all you make you super duper happy, because you get those questions in exam. If you don't know concept, no possible to solve. But otherwise, too easy, too easy. Wait, let me give you a question, another question. For example, suppose, mute please. Mute everyone. Mute, no noise. Unit did we have done, we did done, now remainder will do, okay? Let me get some big question now. Suppose I give a question like this. Find remainder. No, everybody pay attention, okay? This is find remainder when, say, 75 power 80 divided by 7. No, I'll solve step by step. Once you understand, then you will be super duper happy. But don't ask me to repeat. Everybody follow what I'm saying. See, question is 75 by 80. So 75 to the power 80 divided by 7. What will be the remainder? I have to mute. I'm getting a lot of noise, guys. Muted. Okay. 75 power 80 divided by 7. First step. If I divide 75 by 7, what is remainder? 5 remainder, correct? Okay. For this, I have to tell you negative remainder. You know what is negative remainder? Let me do one thing. Let me solve one question. So, see, same question we can do very easily. Okay, so remainder is 5. Everybody agree? So my question becomes now 5 to power 80. Correct? Because 75 by 7, remainder is 5. So my question becomes 5 to power 80 divided by 7. Now 80. Can I write 80 as 2 into 40 or not? I can write 80 as 2 into 40? Yes? Keep telling me on chat. Sure. So 5 to, we can write 80 as 2 into 40. Now, I can also take 2 inside the bracket. And I can say 40 outside. So my question is like this now. 5 to power 2 and then power 40, right? What is 5 to power 2? What is 5 to power 2? So my question becomes now, see, you will laugh in the end. See how easy. So question becomes 25 to the power 40, right? Divide by 7. Tell me 25 by 7, what is the remainder now? 25 divided by 7, what is the remainder? 4. So I can write 4 now. Now 40. Can I write 40 again as 2 into 20? You can write 40 as 2 into 20. Now again I take this 2 inside. 4 to the power 2 and 20 outside power. What is 4 to the power 2? 16. So my question becomes 16 to power 20. Agree everybody? What is 16 divided by 7? Remainder 16 by 7. 2. So my question becomes 2 to the power 10, 20. Okay, right? 20 also 4 into 5. I can write. I'll take 4 inside. What is 2 to the power 4? 2 to the power 4 is how much? 16. So I can change my quotient to 16. What is 16 by 7? Remainder. 2. My quotient becomes 2 to the power 5. What is 2 to the power 5 means? 32. What is 32 by 7? Remainder. See? Got it? So what we are doing exactly? See, I can divide everywhere by 7. No, my choice. I combine all. Finally, I should make sure I get remainders. And remainder is 4. The most beautiful application of remainder theorem is this. You can find remainder without a problem. Understood everybody? And that completes our number system. So I am going to share updated document in day or two where we have question of remainder theorem, unit digit and number of zeros. Okay? And from next Saturday we are going to start next Sunday. Do not miss next Sunday. We are going to start percentage, deep percentage. In 2 hours we'll do too many questions of percentage with short tricks plus super fast maths. Okay? I'm going to send this assignment. Keep doing it, guys. Keep doing it. Got a good coverage of number system, right from the basic of number system till unit digits and remainder. This is what they ask in exam. Today, what we covered the 4 things: HCF, LCM questions, then power of zeros, unit digit, and the remainder. They always, yeah, Ritesh, I'll send it. Maybe when I send this type question, I'll send that also. Okay, Ritesh? I don't want to send it starting because I want people to try first. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet you next Sunday again. Do not miss any of my class, and request for all of you. Please don't join late. Join on time, dot time. I sent a reminder half an hour ago itself, right? I'm not going to send reminder always, but do it. Okay? Bye-bye. See you next time. Thank you all.